Guys, do you want to pause your YouTube search history? So I'm just going to tell you the exact way how to do that. So just make sure you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. So first of all, just make sure that you have logged into your YouTube account, and then just simply tap on your profile and then tap on manage your Google account and go to data and privacy option and scroll a little bit. Then you will get a YouTube history option. Just simply you'll have to tap on that option and scroll a little bit, and here you get the two options: include the YouTube videos that you watch or include your searches on YouTube. So if you just simply want to pass your search history on YouTube, just simply uncheck this option and then tap on pause to pass the YouTube search history and tap on OK to continue. And if you also want to turn off YouTube watch history, you can just simply uncheck this option. You can tap on turn off and tap on pause and tap on OK to continue. By turning it off, your both YouTube search history or YouTube watch history will not save. So that's how you can easily pass YouTube search history. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you're done, just like and subscribe to my channel.